Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Sienna. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, sunroof, alloy wheels, roof rails, rear quarter windows, power, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock braking system, auxiliary engine cooler. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather upholstery, leather trim seats, airbags, driver, knee, keyless entry, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio, iHeartRadio, audio internet radio, Slacker. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal. Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.